Hey, in this video, I'm going to be comparing the SENA 50R versus the SENA 50S. What are the differences, the key takeaways, so you guys can make the best decision when buying your intercom. I personally have been using the SENA 50S, but I was sent the SENA 50R for a comparison, and honestly, they're pretty similar, but there are some major design differences, as well as some technical and performance differences as well that I'll go over. As always, I'll have more information linked down below in the description box, so you guys can check that out. Now, they're both priced the same on the website. It's more of a personal preference when it comes to the design. The 50R is built for more durability. It can withstand more intense weather conditions. So I talk about the design, and the most obvious difference between the two is where they have the buttons. So the SENA 50R has these 3 buttons here in the front, and the SENA 50S has this dial. The SENA 50S is more convenient when you're wearing motorcycle gloves, so that's why a lot of people seem to prefer this one. Now, they both come with the same sound system and quality. You are going to get an hour more of talk time with the SENA 50S than you are with the 50R. I would say the 50R is built for more reliability, while the 50S is built for more convenience and style. Those are the main key differences that I noticed when I did the sound comparison. They sounded exactly the same for me. Now I'm going to get into the clips of me installing both of them to show you guys the comparison and also an unboxing of both of them to see what each box comes with. So for this, there's a bit more of an installation process. This is a clip-on. It just slips onto the helmet. This part right here, you have to connect the wires yourself, which is interesting, different from the 50S. These 2 black cables are connected to the 2 black speakers, and then this red cable connects to either this version of the microphone or this version, whichever one you prefer. Here's the quick start guide for powering it on.
Hello. Mesh intercom on. Open mesh. Channel 1.
And here's the setup for the 50S. It comes with the same accessories.
Hello.
And now I'm going to include some clips of me riding with my partner. This is so much better to communicate as we're riding than just yelling at each other whenever we're stopped.
Almost there. This is good practice. Yeah. Like, this is the worst.
It makes such a huge difference to be able to talk to someone as you're riding, so I've just been loving using these intercoms. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the comparison. Honestly, I think it comes down to personal preference. I love using the SENA 50S, and my partner loves using the SENA 50R, so I'll have everything linked down below in the description box for you to check out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in the next one.